So this is a few highlights here of the Phi Phi Islands, specifically here in Koh Phi Phi Don. So there's no cars or bikes here on the island. Everywhere is accessible by foot or by the longtail boats. This is the infamous reggae bar here, where you can fight in the ring against other tourists for a chance to win free drinks. Definitely worth going if you find yourself here.
Welcome to reggae bar. Twice a day at 9 o'clock. Twice a day at 9 o'clock. We recommend that you arrive early so you can be seated and order food or drinks.
The viewpoints are a bit of a hike, but well worth it for the views. There's a total of 3 altogether, all along the same path.
Oh, that's a really cute picture. No.
Some of the sunsets here are the best you'll find anywhere in the world. This is a few clips of the night time. This is one of the shroom bars.
Alright, can I wait here? Yeah.
You can see here that the tide was in pretty close this night. And so when the tide isn't so far in, you can see here there's loads of fire show games to get involved in or watch all along the beachfront.
They on my head, what is that to me? I put 100 bands on every